Okay, so this is a video guide to show you how to set up your Panopto Lecture Capture service with your module. So you sign into your Blackboard environment, go into the relevant module that you want to configure Panopto with, and first of all make sure that edit mode is turned on over here. Then click on the plus sign to link, give it a title like My Lecture Recordings, and choose from the pop-down list here the Panopto Lecture Capture option. Available to users means available to your students. You might want to leave that unticked for the moment so that you kind of have your area hidden, and that allows you to record content and edit the content, and later you can release it in your content area. So let's just leave it as it is. So this item is hidden from your students. All you need to do then is click on your Panopto 2 link here, and that will configure it against your module. And you're brought into your kind of Panopto area here, which allows you to store your recordings, etc. So, in here then, you've got your space for either uploading your recordings or record some recordings. So the option here then is to click on Create. Step 2, if you want to record a lecture, click on Create. And you have two options here. You can use the Panopto for Windows application, which has to be installed on your hard drive. What a lot of people use is just basically the Panopto Capture, a recorder that you can use within your web browser. So let's choose that option. It opens up a new tab and gives you the Panopto recorder. In here then your audio is being picked up. You got your video for your camera, and then you got to decide what you want to record here. You can possibly record the entire screen, just maybe this Chrome tab that we've opened here, different windows. So we might want to record a PowerPoint presentation. So let's open up one of those. Okay. And then let's just move that to one side. And we got here Panopto for office hours. So we'll just say we'll record. We can decide what we want to record here. We decide we'll record that one, Panopto office hours. And we're going to share that with the Panopto application. Okay. So then it displays that there for you. All right. So you got your audio selected, you got your video selected, you got your PowerPoint presentation that you want to talk about. So then it's as simple as clicking on the record button here. So we click on that, you'll get a countdown of 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch across to your PowerPoint presentation here. You can go into slide view mode, talk through your presentation, finish your lecture, jump back into your recorder and click on Save. At this stage your recording has been completed. You can give it a new title, whatever you like. My first lecture recording goes into, and by default it'll save it into your module. And it tells you now that your video is ready. You can preview it here if you want. You're sharing your video. We'll go through that in a little while. And that's your first recording recorded. So we close that window there. We go back in here and we refresh the screen. Go back in here. And you'll see that you've got your first lecture recording there, which you can actually, if you want, you can click on it and open up a new tab, and you can play it back. Presentation. Here, slide view mode. Finish your lecture. Jump back into your recorder. And that's it. It's recorded there for you, and it's placed in here into this space, which is hidden from the students at the moment. So the last step then, step 3, is how do you release that recording after you can use other options here. There is by default the shares are already set up, so that means that instructors on this module have creator access, and students in this module have viewer access. They can just view the recording. so you don't need to make any adjustments there. You can use the inbuilt editor, open up a new tab, and you can make adjustments to your recording. If you want, you can edit it in different ways, and then you click apply, and that saves your update recording. Okay, so last third option, step 3, is how do we release the recording that we've created in this hidden area from the students. So what you can do is you can click on the plus sign, content area, and you can call it, say, lecture week 1, and make it available to users so that the students can see it. You click on lecture week 1, and then you just click on build content, and you have your option here for Panopto video embed. So you choose that option there, and you have your recording that you've just recorded recently. You highlight that, and you click on insert, and that recording is being placed in here, so for the students. And then you can even just test it there. You can click on it, and it actually will play there for this. That's how you release your recording into this area. The benefit of keeping this area hidden is it allows you to actually record and edit, and gives you time to make adjustments before you release to the students. So that's the 3 steps. Step 1 is set up the Panopto 2 link with your module. Step 2 is to do your recording, and step 3 is to release the recording to your